up, baby? What? Oh. Gonna go right in on that scrub it up. Oh, should I take you guys with? Oh my gosh, maybe I should take you guys with. I don't have a light on this side of, we used to have one, but it's in one of those little fixtures, so we need to call maintenance and have them figure that out. But I promise y'all, this looks dirtier than what my shower looks. It's really just this stuff. Like, it just gets like soap scum and dirt and dead skin. For anyone wondering what I used this OxyClean Total Bathroom Foaming Cleaner. We're about to rinse. I'm gonna do a video on this shower head, y'all, because I don't think I have done one, but woo, buddy. Look at all that. I could have probably scrubbed part of it right there, but that's all right. Gonna rinse up here. Looky at that. It's as clean as I'm gonna get it, all right? We'll just spray it along the side here. Why not? I'm gonna have to mop anyways. Here she is in all her glory. And no, it does not look spotless and perfect, but it looks good enough and clean enough to shower in. Sweep up our floor. After we sweep, then I'm gonna mop. All right, we swept her all up. Time to mop. And I don't have mop solution, so I'm gonna be using Lysol's Brand New Day. We're gonna start by the shower, of course. Sorry I don't have a tripod, y'all. I wish I did so that I could make this more enjoyable content for y'all. Here soon though. You're not gonna be able to see the floor, but you will whenever I'm done. I just can't mop with one hand. I need both hands so I can scrub that shit. Yeah, feel me? If I'm gonna mop these floors, baby, they can be mopped right now. Normally, I'm better at mopping, but I'm using one hand, y'all. Okay. So, I put fucking this is my shampoo, right? Suave Sun Ripened Strawberry. I put this in my toilet to clean with. Holy fuck, y'all. The smell that's coming from here, the smell that's coming from this toilet, bro, immaculate. It literally smells like strawberries in my toilet. Really, the last thing I gotta clean is our sink, which honestly, it's just like some toothpaste and hair. A little bit of incense smoke left. And just wiping the sinks for real. Oh, and the mirrors. Our mirrors are kind of crusty. So, alakazam. Alright, now I can say our bathroom is spotless clean. Hopefully whenever my husband comes home, he is very proud. Because I'm sweating and I have not ate anything today. Let's put all my stuff back on the counter. These are our bathroom sprays. Thank you for watching. Please like and follow and have a great day.